Hello, my name is Jonathan Butler, and these are my aviator glasses. Cost me $7.95 from the H&M store in Washington, D.C. They have a very great significance to me because when I was in Washington, D.C. for spring break, I bought these glasses. And when I bought these glasses, that very night, I met Ladarius Webb from the Baltimore Ravens, number 21, along with Justin Harper, number 14, from the Baltimore Ravens. And when I met them, we became friends very quickly. I was also with my two other colleagues or friends, Carlton Daniels and Shad Williams, and that night we kicked it. We went to a couple of clubs, VIP for free, and they just took us all over the place, restaurants, you name it. We had a very good time, and that's why these are very significant to me because they reminded me of the great time I had over spring break. Once again, my name is Jonathan Butler, and these are my aviator glasses. Thank you.